there! I'm Raquel Maldonado and I'm going to teach you how to make beet hamburger. 1 grated beet, 2 cups of cooked chickpeas, 1 cup of manioc flour, salt and seasoning of choice like onions, garlic, or parsley. You also need a blender, a baking tray, and the oven. First, grease the baking tray with oil and preheat the oven to 180 degrees. Then put the chickpeas in the blender and blitz. Add a little bit of water if needed. Little by little, add the beet and the seasonings. After that, put the paste in a bowl, add the manioc flour, and mix. Then, shape the mixture into balls. Put them in the baking tray and gently flat them, turning them around at half time. If you don't want to use all the mixture, you can shape your burgers and freeze them in plastic wrap. After they are done, your burgers will be crunchy outside and soft inside, ready to be served. See ya!